ऑपरेशन सिंदूर खत्म होने से जस्ट पहले there was a very sad incident that took place that IMF had agreed to grant loans to Pakistan. Obviously, majority of the Indians were very anguished and filled with anger against IMF that it was ready to fund a country, a terror funding country like Pakistan. ठीक है, बट अगर इसके रीजंस को डेवलप करें कि why did IMF agree to fund Pakistan like country, जो कि it was about to enter into the blacklist of FATF, the same OECD country which largely funds to IMF were the countries who had created an organization called Financial Action Task Force, and the same FATF had agreed that they will not be granting, rather blacklisting Pakistan because of its terror funding mechanisms. ठीक है, but if we try to delve into why did IMF, आखिर क्या ही मजबूरी थी IMF की that it agreed to fund Pakistan. So if we try to decipher into this, one of the biggest funding countries to IMF is of course the United States of America. And some of the previous statements that the president of USA was making right before the IMF bailout package was that Pakistanis are some very brilliant people and they make some very smart products. Obviously, that created some kind of confusion amongst Donald Trump followers, even, and of course the Indians, कि किस तरीके का ये smart products बना रहे हैं. They are making use of F-16 or any kind of fighter jets which they are importing from China or from USA. So these are not the products that are being created in Pakistan. Beharhal, let's say the US also acclaimed that Pakistanis are creating some very good kind of products. But why this inclination or why this inclination of USA towards Pakistan? That was because of two principal reasons. एक तो USA has presumed that Pakistan is consisting of worth trillions and trillions of rare earth minerals. Although geographically speaking, Pakistan के वो areas that are consisting of rare earth minerals are claimed by China. And the second important reason has been bitcoins, because पाकिस्तान ने यूएस के नर्व्स को पकड़ लिया है. यूएस, which is currently being headed by Trump, now there is very less distinction between the government of USA and the private family of the president of USA. Or the family of USA has invested in various business and they are trading in bitcoins. Now Pakistan has started creating measures, started taking steps to promote bitcoins in their country. They have created a crypto council within Pakistan, and Pakistan has taken various measures to spread its wings for cryptocurrency. Now, because it is the Donald Trump's families who are investing in cryptocurrency and Pakistan ने इस नफ्स को पकड़ करके cryptocurrency को promote किया है, that is the second important reason why US is showing its inclination towards Pakistan, even under a worse situation like that of Operation Sindoor. Thank you so much.